Bacon bitch. Got these bacon bitches.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy, and we be putting.
Bacon Bitch University. Bad bitch industry. All right, this is a nice little spot. Little spot. Hello. Yes, please.
Yes.
Bacon Bitch, finally a Bacon Bitch. Of course, see the menu.
My name is Jules. I'm going to be your main bitch today. Have we been here before?
No.
Okay, period. Welcome in. You guys came at a perfect time because we did just drop a brand new menu about 2 weeks ago.
What?
Unfortunately, we aren't allowed to do any substitutions, but we can do add-ons.
Okay.
Okay, let's get you bitches fed.
Hey.
What's up, bye? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday, this bitch.
I love it. I love it. Just don't call me man. As long as you don't call me man.
All right, bitch.
I can go ahead and get you started with some drinks. It's a hangover, bitch. It just Bloody Mary. It's a Bloody Mary, and then on top it's just hash browns and egg. But you can get just a regular Bloody Mary if you wanted that as well.
Bring the little bitches here. Alright guys, got the breakfast tacos here. They had cheddar, salsa verde on top, a little sour cream. They also had the eggs in there and some hash browns down deep in there as well too. And it was on the flour tortilla. You can have bacon, but I just put the bacon to the side. And also these guys right here, the sliders was really good. The breakfast sliders. The cake was more like a cornbread cake with cheese, eggs, definitely the sausage and a little bacon on it. Definitely good with syrup and put a little syrup and hot sauce on it. It was the bar plus syrup. So their syrup was really good. I don't know what mixture they had. It could be like an etch mama or something like that. But it was really good, and it paired it well with the hot sauce. So I definitely enjoyed that. Syrup. Alright guys, definitely enjoyed this. As you saw, hey, I say go try them out. They got a brunch on the weekend that they turn up all the way. So like and subscribe. See you guys next video. Peace.